Welcome to solverfy.
So we have to find out the mass of 2.63 moles of Allyl sulfide, and also we have to find out the number of carbon atoms in 5.7 grams of Allyl sulfide. Okay, so first of all, before we do any correlation, we have to find out the molar mass of this compound. So again, on your textbook, you have a structural formula, but I just condense that to something called condensed formula. It will be much more easy to find the molar mass. Okay, so from our periodic table, you should be able to find out that the molar mass uh, is equals to 114.07 gram per mole. So you just add all of the molar mass of the individual atom together, and then you should able to find that. Okay, so what would be the mass of 2.63 moles? Actually, it's pretty easy. So you remember number of mole equals to mass over the molar mass. If you want to find the mass, it's just a number of moles multiplied by the mass. So we have a 2.63 multiplied by our molar mass, and then 63 times 114.07. There should be still a 7 over there, and we should be able to find that it's 300 uh, gram, 300 gram. So this is moles, and this is a gram per mole. All right, so we have 300 gram. Okay, so how about the number of carbon atom when we have 35.7 gram of sulfide? So again, we need to find our number of moles of sulfide group first. So it will be 35.7 gram divided by 114.07 gram per mole. So we know the number of moles. So 35.7 divided by 114.07 equals to 0.313 moles. Okay, so we have to go back to look at our molecule. So for each of the molecule, we will have 6 carbon. So the number of moles of carbon in the molecule will be equal to our total number of moles times 6, because we have for each of them, they will have 6 carbon. So we have 0.313 times 6, where 1.878 moles of carbon. Again, for we want to know the number of atom, so we just need to take our number of moles, multiply by our Avogadro number, and then we should be able to find out the total amount of atom is 1.13 times 10 to the power 24.